Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see my wash routine, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so before we get started, I kind of just want to come and show you guys my scalp and show you how white it is and how much dandruff that I have before I wash my hair. And usually I just put my hair into 2 rubber bands before I wash it, because I wash one side first and then the other. So guys, I am going to be using the Aussie Total Mineral Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this shampoo and conditioner. I actually saw another YouTuber by the name of, I believe her name is Elsie Lexi. I could be saying that wrong, but I saw on her YouTube how she like swears by this shampoo and conditioner. So I went out and bought it. And yeah, so far I'm loving it, because washing my hair with the shampoo and conditioner has been really helping my scalp a lot, especially the conditioner, because it moisturized my scalp really good. So right now, you guys, I'm just washing my hair, and when I wash my hair, I really get into, my scalp, because I try to focus more on my scalp than the hair per se. I just kind of like scratch my scalp when I wash it. And when I say scratch, I don't use my nails to scratch it. You use like the tip of your fingers to scratch your hair, because you're never supposed to scratch your hair with using your nails. But yeah, so I already washed my hair once. I always wash my hair 2 times to make sure that it's nice and clean, and yeah, that I got my scalp really good. Because believe it or not, guys, and when I was in hair school, I was always taught to actually shampoo your hair twice. So you're supposed to shampoo your hair twice, and if you are getting a relaxer, you're supposed to shampoo your hair 3 times to make sure that the relaxer is out. But anyway, so I'm gonna rinse all the shampoo out, and then I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay guys, so right now I am conditioning my hair, and with the conditioner, guys, I'm telling you, I pack that conditioner on, because I love putting a lot of conditioner in my hair. I love to give my hair a lot of moisture, and yeah, because my hair gets really dry. So getting that deep conditioner in my head, I need it. My hair just thrive for it. So yeah, so what I do is pretty much put conditioner in my hair on both sides, and once I have put the conditioner in, then I pretty much go back and I detangle my hair. Okay y'all, so to detangle my hair, I do use a wide tooth comb to detangle it. And when I detangle it, you guys, I always start with combing from the bottom, then work your way up. You always should detangle your hair this way, because it will help with less breakage. As you can see, I didn't even have a lot of hair come out at all, but that is the best way to detangle your hair, by combing from the bottom, then working your way up to the top, because you'll have less breakage if you detangled your hair that way. Okay guys, so once I'm done detangling my hair, I just put a bag over my head and kind of do like a deep conditioner, and I let that stay on until I'm finished taking my shower. Okay guys, so right now I'm just kind of parting my hair down the middle so I can go section by section and blow dry my hair. And to blow dry my hair, you guys, I use the Aussie, the leave-in conditioner spray. And I pretty much just spray that all over my hair and pretty much detangle my hair. Again, it helps with detangling my hair. Then I also use the Ete, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I use they shea butter for my heat protection, and I just take a little bit of that and I put it all over my hair, and then I section one section of my hair into two, and then I begin to blow dry each section until my hair is completely dry. Okay, guys, so while I'm, blow drying my hair, I just kind of wanted to come and talk to you guys a little bit and talk to you about my hair. I've been natural for a while, and I don't even know how long I've been natural, but I've been natural for a while. But I noticed in this last year or so, I noticed that my hair has been like at a standstill, meaning it's not growing at all. And I noticed that my hair has gotten very thin. Um, and I noticed that I've been having pretty bad dandruff in my hair, and I went and see my doctor about it, and my doctor told me that I may have psoriasis. So my doctor did schedule for me to see a dermatologist, and I see that dermatology in the next month or so, and I'll come back and let you guys know if I do or don't have psoriasis. And if I do, it will explain a lot about what's going on with my hair. But in the meantime, I just try to keep my hair moisturized. I try to put many different oils in my hair, and I also try to deep condition my hair as much as possible. To be honest with you guys, I only really wash my hair maybe once a month, maybe twice, but the least I do is maybe once a month. And throughout the times where I'm not washing my hair, I just go in and do a deep conditioner with the conditioner. But yeah, you guys, I'm pretty much finishing up with blow drying my hair. I only blow dry one side on camera, and I blow dry the other side off camera. And once I'm done blow drying it, I'm just gonna braid up my hair and get it ready for the wig I'm gonna put on. Okay guys, so now that I'm done blow drying my hair, I am going to begin to braid my hair because I am going to be putting a wig on. You guys, I feel like I have not worn a wig in forever because I've been having so many issues with my hair and my scalp, and I try to kind of stay away from the wigs for a while, which I didn't like because I really love wearing my wigs. But I was just trying to get an understanding of what was going on with my hair and my scalp. Now I kind of got a little bit of understanding, so I'm kind of going to go back and put my wig back on. In order for me to do that, I need to first braid my hair. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to just continue to braid my hair, and you guys continue to watch. Okay guys, so I am finishing up with braiding one side of my hair, and I'm going to put a little oil on my scalp. Now this oil, you guys, I pretty much made this all myself. I've been researching like different oils that can pretty much help with my scalp, but I will come back and make a separate video letting you guys know the different oils that I use on my hair, on my scalp, because it's been helping my scalp out a lot. And yeah, you guys, I believe that's pretty much it. I pretty much braided my other part of the side of my hair off camera. I hope that you guys enjoy my wash day routine. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also thumbs up this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video.